you know, it is your vibration that is creating your health conditions. Yes, because your health is getting impacted with the frequency you are carrying inside you. Yes, it is your vibration and it is your frequency. And your frequency is getting operated with all the emotions you are carrying inside you consciously or sometimes unconsciously, and continuously it is shaping your reality. Yes, I am Arpita Bhattacharya. Today, in this video, I am going to help you to understand how your vibration is determining your health, and I will give you that one simple step to follow that will help you to easily raise your vibration. And by raising your vibration, you can immediately start changing your health conditions with which you are struggling for long years. Yes. So, my dear, it is a simple fact that all the dialogues are running inside your brain. Look, there are two kind of dialogues. One is internal dialogue and other one is the external dialogues. External dialogues is now what I'm doing here. I'm talking to you and you are listening to me. It is the external dialogue. When you are talking with other person outside world, that is your external dialogues. And the internal dialogues are the dialogues you are doing with yourself when there is no one with you. When you are only with you, you are with yourself. That is the time what is going on inside your head. It is the internal dialogues, and the most dangerous one. Yes, because those are the dialogues which creates the belief inside you. I am not perfect. I do not deserve a good health. When things will go perfect? I tried everything, but I fail again and again. When things will be okay? Medicine is not working. Doctors are not supporting me. Oh God, why me? All such kind of things, right? Check. Are you having those kind of dialogues with you? These are the internal dialogues. And external dialogues, whenever you are meeting with others, with your friends, with your family, when you are talking about your health, what kind of conversation there is going on? Is it like, you know, I'm suffering from this, from that, one after another, I suffer from the illness. The illness never ends, it is permanent with me. I don't know how things will go perfect in my life. Doctors are nowadays doctors are not supporting their patients, they're just doing business. Those kind of conversations are you doing with your nearest and dearest ones? So check. And dear, this every word you are using as your external and internal dialogues, these are impacting the molecules you are having inside your body. There is a scientific explanation. There was a scientific experiment by Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese scientist, who proved words have the enormous energy to impact anything in the world. Actually, he did a water experiment to prove the word power. What he did, he took two different test tube, and he put waters, the same water, in the both the test tubes. And in one test tube he wrote the words, the positive words like gratitude, thank you, love, peace, like this. And on the other test tube he wrote all the negative words, negative frequency words like anger, hatred, jealousy, pain, hurt, sorrow, all these. Now the next day, what he did, he took the two test tubes and put it into the refrigerator. The next day the both water turned into ice, and after that he looked through my microscope each ice one at a time, on which there was a positive word written. The eyes turned into a wonderful shapes, the wonderful pearl gems like shapes. And on the other hand, on which test tube there was written the negative words, those water molecules get just the destructive type of shapes, all the uh, dirty shapes it took. Now, you just think, can you imagine the difference between the two water, the same ice, but having the different shaped water molecules inside it? What it means? Actually, it is scientifically proven that words have impacted those water molecules. Now, you think, what is the connection with the water molecules and us? Actually, we are made of water. We have 100 trillion cells inside our body. Every cells are made of 75% water. So, on an average, we are made of 70% water. And every words you are using, dear, every single words, all the complaining words, all the words, whatever negative words you are using, not only you are saying but also you are thinking inside, it is impacting the all the single water molecules inside your body. Now you think, no need to tell me, just you think in your mind, most of the day, 50% of the day, what kind of thoughts you are having. And according to that, based on your thoughts, what kind of water molecules you are holding inside your body? Are those water molecules wonderful looking molecules, or they are just destructive type of water molecules? Now, it is simple fact, if you are carrying the negative category, negative quality of water molecules inside your body, it is generating the disease, because disease is nothing but the negative energy you are holding inside your body. Actually, disease is the manifestation of the negative emotions you are holding inside. Every disease, from cough and cold to cancer, every disease are psychosomatic. It means psycho and somatic, the combination of psycho and somatic. Psycho means mind and somatic means psycho means yes, psycho means mind and somatic means body. It is a combination of mind and body. Now, every disease you are holding, you are experiencing, because of you are holding some negative emotions inside you, like guilt. Are there a lot of guilt inside you? Just check. If it is, then you must carrying those emotion in certain parts of your body, dear. And those in which parts you are carrying this emotion, guilt, anger, frustration, irritation, these parts are getting blocked. And wherever it is getting blocked, the natural flow, free flow of energy is getting blocked. So, where there is no free flow of energy, obviously there is disease, there is problem. So, the only solution is to recover from disease is give permission your energy to flow freely by removing all those negative emotions you are carrying consciously or unconsciously inside you. I told about guilt. Guilt is such a negative emotion. It affects all the aspect in your life. Suppose you are carrying a guilt from your childhood. I don't know the reason why you are carrying the guilt. You know, or maybe you forget about the event from where you started feeling that guilt. But the emotion, the emotional impact, the guilt is still living in your subconscious because you don't allow this guilt to be released. So it is inside you and you are vibrating from the frequency of guilt. Just check. You have an emotional pattern, you have a habit of feeling guilt for no reason. Anything wrong is happening, you are taking it in your own side, you are feeling guilt. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do this in this way. I shouldn't talk to this way. It's like this. Anytime you are feeling it effortlessly, you are feeling guilt effortlessly. Is it not right that? Now check which part of your body you are carrying this guilt. I know it is a little difficult thing, but not so difficult that you can't. Here is my solution. That one solution I will tell you to release guilt. That guilt which is affecting not only your health, it is affecting your relationships. Just imagine you are carrying this guilt for no reason. You are, it is impacting your relationships. Somewhere something is happening in your relationships, you are taking guilt in your side, and you start feeling that you are not perfect, you not deserve that, you have to be punished. Here the relationship with yourself is getting hampered, is it not? You are torturing yourself, you are giving yourself punishment a lot for having this guilt. Yes, just imagine you are in guilt for some reason. And if you are in guilt, will you be able to give your 100% in your professional life, or in your if you are a homemaker or housewife, is it feasible for you to give 100% to your work? No, it is not, because every moment you are disturbed with this one thought of guilt, every moment. And that is the way this guilt is troubling your health a lot every day, every moment. You are not able to sleep properly. You are having maybe the BP issues. You are having the migraine issues. You are having the neuro disorders. You are having the anxiety issues. You are having the overthinking issues, everything. All the physical problems you are having due to this one emotion you are holding inside you unconsciously for so long years, that is guilt. My dear, it is the time to release that emotion from your body. It will help you to improve your health in this way. The easiest way to release your guilt or the negative emotion from your mind and body is do Ho'oponopono. Yes, of course, with me right now. Put your right hand on your heart. Close your eyes. Come on. I can see you. Close your eyes. Just do it with me. Don't take only gather the knowledge. Just don't listen to me. Just do whatever I am asking you to do. Believe me, it will give you that kind of relief. Okay. So take your right hand on your heart. Close your eyes and just first take a deep breath in. Inhale. Relax. Now, for a moment, think about that emotion which troubles you the most. That guilt. Think about that. Feel one incident recently what you have experienced that gave you the same impact of guilt. Remember it, feel it. And just check in which part of your body you are getting some kind of discomfort as you are thinking about this guilt, this discomfort. Is it in your forehead? Is it in your shoulder? Is it in your upper back, lower back, abdomen, upper abdomen, lower abdomen, feet, thighs, where it is? Feel it and check the intensity of the discomfort. Give it a number in between 0 to 10. 10 is very high and 0 is very low. What is your intensity of this discomfort? Feel it. And just start repeating with me. I take 100% responsibility to release this guilt right now. I take 100% responsibility to heal my health conditions right now. I take 100% responsibility about what I am feeling now. I am sorry, my dear health, for not supporting you enough. I am sorry, my dear health, for not taking enough care of you. Please forgive me, my dear health, for abusing you a lot, for torturing you a lot, for being indisciplined with you a lot. Please forgive me, my dear health, for carrying these emotions inside me unconsciously, which creating the troubles for you, which creating the pain for you. Dear health, in spite of all these troubles and pain, still you are supporting me. Still, you are keeping me alive. And I am lucky to have you. Thank you, dear health, for every support. I love you. From now, I commit to heal you with my superpower. From now, my dear health, I commit to love you as the way you are. Thank you for helping me to release this emotion from you. I love you. I'm sorry, dear health. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And this emotion, I'm so sorry for not taking enough responsibility to heal you. Please forgive me for not understanding. I have created you, nurtured you inside me for a long time. Now it is the time to release you. Thank you for serving me in my life. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to heal. Now this is the time for you to be free. So, I release you. I am ready to release you 100%. I love you. I love you because you are my creation. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take one more deep breath in. Inhale. And as you exhale, just imagine from that particular part of your body, this negative emotion is releasing with a white light energy. And it is released completely. Okay? With that, just check how you are feeling. Check that particular part of your body where you were feeling that discomfort, and also check the intensity of your discomfort. Earlier, what it was, and now what it is. Please give the number in the chat window how much you reduced the intensity of the discomfort level of the emotion you are carrying inside, that guilt you are carrying inside. And it is not enough. You have to do it every day. 108 times. Just do Ho'oponopono. The simple Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, dear health. Please forgive me, my dear health. Thank you, my dear health, for everything. My dear health, I love you as the way you are. Just do that 108 times every day, twice a day, to heal all the unconscious blockages you are carrying inside you. Those are creating the health challenge for you. This prayer, this Ho'oponopono prayer will help you to release those energy blocks, those emotions, those guilt, irritation, anxiety from your body, and it will help your energy to flow freely. It will help you to heal your health super fast. So just do that, and that one thing, one reminder I am giving you. Keep practicing Ho'oponopono, and with that, always check your emotions. Whenever you are finding yourself in a negative emotion, caught yourself, caught yourself immediately and release it with hope. No, no. Just do it. Just do it for 7 days. I can guarantee you, you will start noticing the changes, the positive changes in your health. And don't forget to write in the comment section what kind of relief you are getting in your health by practicing this. If you find it so powerful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. As much as possible, you share with those people who actually need this video, who actually want to heal their health conditions. So please share this. And if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the upcoming videos. So till then, bye bye, love you, stay happy and stay in the mode of healing your health. Bye bye.